Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to actually accept GST number at the time of checkout from your customer and make that mandatory. There are some businesses which want that the users who are actually checking out have to put in their GST number so that they don't get or they can minimize fake orders. In this case, what we need to do is we need to go into store configuration, and when we go into store configuration, all we need to do is search for GST out here, verify GST at login. And as you can see, this is in shop settings and I can just enable it. When we enable it, and if we were shopping, and let's say I add 2 products and I go into my cart, and when I check out, is going to ask for the GST number. Let's say if I don't give the GST number, I give everything else and don't give the GST number, and I'm going to check out, it's going to say please enter valid GST number. Even if I put in a fake GST number and check out, it's going to still ask me, it's going to reconfirm whether the GST number is correct or not. Please remember that the GST number format is checked, not the actual GST number is checked, but the format is checked. But once we do this, it will take us forward and it will actually take us with the actual checkout process. And I'm going to complete my checkout and press success. Now if I go back to my admin panel and if I were to go to my orders, and this order, let me go into this order and view the invoice. As you can see that this was an order which was placed with the GST number. Thank you.